The disruption in healthcare services in Western Jamaica has affected a delicate group of people in society, newborns who are at increased risk of illnesses and infections. While some healthcare facilities remain open, the services have been limited. Jamaica Maitland reports.
Tears rolled down the bruised cheeks of Natasha Tomlinson in Darliston, Westmoreland. Miss Tomlinson, who recently became a grandmother to newborn twins, was overcome with emotions when asked about their care.
During the process, were you able to call and to find out if that was okay? No. I'm so sorry.
The twins, boy Kyrie and girl Kaylan, now 3 weeks old, were just 1 week when Hurricane Melissa hit. The family knew that their home was no match for the Category 5 storm, and so the babies and their mother relocated to a cousin's home. It was the best decision they made as their house collapsed. The grandmother recalled being hit by a concrete pole as she ran for her life. The family squeezed into a seatless, wasp-infested abandoned car until the storm passed.
Oh, the car when I go with me, every minute the back lift up with me, so just have to pray and I cry. That time I bleed, I go away. I lean down like when I'm in a car, the blood not drip on my clothes.
Miss Tomlinson, who is one of the main caregivers of the twins, says they are in need of supplies. Her son, who is their father, as well as the twins' mother, are deaf and mute. The babies, she further explained, were to undergo hearing tests, but then came the hurricane.
Anybody come with any aid for you so far? Yes. Okay. Yes, like the passing. But what would you need? What you need right now? Like pampers, wipes, feed for them.
The twins are part of a wider group of newborns in hurricane-torn communities who are facing the possibility of a health calamity. Consultant in pediatrics at the Cornwall Regional Hospital, Dr. Tracy Gilbert explains.
All the vaccines were preserved during the hurricane. It's safe, and there are centers all across the Western region which are open to provide vaccination. There might be limited care available, but vaccinations are prioritized.
Healthcare access is also limited in Petersville in Westmoreland and Duckett's in St. James, where the residents are marooned. Dr. Gilbert, who also specializes in public health, says there is also a risk of disease outbreak that newborns can't necessarily fight. She says during this time, breast milk is best, although stress can affect production.
Do not give glucose water. Do not give food drinks. Prioritize with your breast milk. And if for some reason there is a challenge because of some other problems the hospital identified before the baby left, try to get the pre-mixed formulas. And if you have to mix it, make sure the water is sterilized. It's bottled water. Nobody else is using it for anything else.
If you want to help Ms. Tomlinson and her grandchildren, you can call or message at 876-886-2708. Jamaica Maitland, TVJ News.